Hey, my name is Dylan with RepairSpots, and today I'm going to be showing you how the Square integration works with our application. Now, in order to use the Square integration, you're going to first have to set up an account with Square and download the application on the device that you're going to be using our point of sale software on. So, first we'll go to Square after it's been installed and your account has been set up. Now, on Square, we need to make sure we have a couple of settings set up first. So, firstly, we know that we're going to be doing our taxing and the charging off of our point of sale software. So, we're going to go to settings and make sure that taxes are turned off on the Square. We're going to also make sure that the settings are about base and you change nothing to them. You also don't really want to add any terms and conditions unless you're planning on using Square to print your receipts of any type of transaction. So if you were going to use the credit card receipts only through Square, then I would recommend changing any of these settings. Otherwise, if you plan on just using our point of sale system as your main point of sale, then I don't recommend touching any of these settings. Now, making sure your settings match these and are not changed, we'll be going back to our point of sale software. Now from here, the first thing we're going to do to make sure that the integration is working is we're going to go to settings, we're going to go to sales information, and we're going to the button up here that says use Square, right there. We'll check that and make sure that Square POS has been enabled. After doing that, we can update. We're also going to make sure we have our taxes set up here. Now, when we go to do a sale, so we'll go to a new sale, we can add whatever it is that's going to be in the sale. And now, assuming you're using Square for your card readings, we will go to debit card. But now first, we're going to scroll down here and we're going to make sure that this use Square tab right here is checked. Now, if you're not going to use Square for this transaction, you can just uncheck it, which I recommend doing for your cash sales, since they don't have to be recorded through Square. Although, this is about the card reader, so when you're going through a credit card, debit card, or another form of payment that may require Square, then we will have that checked for that Square integration. We'll go credit card, we'll confirm, this will bring us to the Square application, and then after going through the process, you'll be coming back here. Now, unfortunately, I can't show you the process on a credit card or debit card, so I will show you an example using cash, although you will not be using this for cash transactions. Here, we'll just put in the amount that's given to us in cash. Now, on card, this will be different. We won't have to add anything to this. It will just show us the flat price and then go to the card reader to do the rest of the work. We choose the amount, and then this will still show up. Now, in order to go back to our point of sale software and finish the sale on our side, you're going to have to pass this page. You can, of course, use Square for the receipt, or you can just go no receipt. Thanks. Click it again, and it will take you back to our page where you'll be able to email or print the receipt using our terms and conditions, the logo on your store, and etc. that's in your custom receipt or the base receipt that you have with our point of sale software.